Number 21. Thanks everyone for getting in. This is a jumbo random teams. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pick the box. So we got box 1, 7, 2, and 8. 1, 7, 2, and 8. So let's see. Box 8. Box 8. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the randomizer. And this is the last break of the night, so thanks everybody for getting in today. We're going to go 5 times, 1 and a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We got V up top and Colin at the bottom. There we go. Now for the teams. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, I'm gonna get off after this one. I still got like some stuff to do, labels wise, and gotta print some labels for the breaks today. V, you got the Angels. Brian, you got the Mariners. Alex, you got the Red Sox. Alexander, you got the Orioles. Jason, you got the Reds. Brian, you got the Cubs. Lampros, Rockies. Chris, Cardinals. Tice, Braves. Scott, Mets. Mike, Yankees. Darren, Dodgers. Chris, A's. Lucas, Blue Jays, Phillies. Jason, Rangers, Marlins. Colin, Nationals. Scott, Giants. Seth, Pirates and Twins. Hiller, Indians. Chris, Astros. Mike with the Royals, Rays, and Padres. V with the White Sox. Chris W with the Brew Crew. And Colin with the Tigers. Plus, I don't have any store keys, so if those guys leave me, be locked in.
If you hit that Joe Superfactor right now, you better yell like that.
Alright. You leave that door open, it's hot as hell. Oh, it's like 96 degrees in here. So, I don't know if you guys want to do some trading. I'll give some time. I also got to give away some break credit for a national break, so I'll do that right after this. Ace for Giants, maybe?
Yes, during the season we do have a lot of football mixers. Generally, there's more like football product that ends up coming out. And so then we'll have like a case.
Braves for trade. Any trades? Any trades? I'll post 22 for Jason tomorrow.
So yeah, we generally do end up doing a lot of football mixers during the season.
Pirates and Twins for Braves, maybe?
Yeah, these one box breaks are kind of tough. You get a good block of numbers, but it get a little rough. All right. Do this one really quick. Come on, get another piece of it. These out of the way. So we'll try to do one more of those one box breaks out of there, folks. Then we have one more case, Marvel fans. Again.
Wow, McCaffrey looks pretty good.
Good evening, everyone. GoForGastonTopNet.com coming at you with a one box.
Alright, any trades? Last call for trades.
The last box case. Then the next one box break will be from
Tigers and Nationals available from Colin.
so big thanks to these folks right here for getting the action. So we're gonna pop open the box first.
McCaffrey looks pretty good. He runs through the offensive line just like nothing.
Pulled out of there.
Yeah, another Chrome sold out, DK.
Then we'll randomize names, randomize hits. All right. Here we go. Good luck, everybody.
If something sells out while we're doing this, guys, we can break it.
That is nice. Usually there's some artwork on the back. Oh, nice. That is strong.
All right, last call for trades.
Here's your artist.
Any trades? Any trades?
Name, maybe some review in the room that you want to tell me. You know. That is strong.
Calling a Judge auto.
Pop this guy open. There's no sketch card in here.
All right, I don't see any trading going on. I see some teams, but trade window closed. All right, good luck, everybody. So DK Films and Jason Jaspy both calling a Judge. So Mike Towers got the Yankees. So we'll see. Box 8. Got the Topps box cutter. Seth is feeling some Bellinger. I've only hit one auto of Bellinger. Hit no autos of Judge. I've done about like 12 boxes, maybe 10 or 12 boxes or something. No Judge auto. No Judge parallel. I've hit like the retros and all. I've hit a variation. That was pretty nice. Oh, did you guys see that? Who you got, Jason R? Rangers have like Nomar Mazara. You get the Reds too. The Reds have a few rookies, like Jesse Winker, I think. Pretty much every team is pretty solid in this stuff. It's all about even hits, number of hits wise. I mean, there's obviously some teams that are better than the others, but all right, here we go. Good luck. Remember all the rookies, variations, refractors, all that shit. We got Kyle Schwarber, Glasnow, Cespedes, and base. We got Moncada, Matt Strom, Nomar Mazara, Carlos Correa, Benintendi rookie, we got Cole Hamels, and this is a nice one for the Orioles, Trey Mancini auto for the Baltimore Orioles. Alexander B. got some spots late. There you go, Alex. Nice hit. Altuve. Springer. Andrew Miller. Francisco Lindor. Evan Longoria negative for the Rays. As a combo going out to Mike K. Yeah, if we get something filled out before the end of this break, we can do something else. Before I print the labels and stuff for this one. And upload the video and all that. We got Bregman, Piscotty, Jay Bruce, Noah Syndergaard. We got a purple. Look at that. Jesse Winker. Jason R. with the Reds. 71 out of 299. Some base. We got Cespedes, Jose De Leon, Noah Syndergaard, Kenta Maeda. But Jason will be live tomorrow. Back live, same time, same channel. Jackie Bradley Jr. We got, I haven't pulled this guy yet. Pat Valleca auto for the Rockies. The Colorado Rockies is Lampros. There you go, Lampros. Schwarber. And base. We got Danny Duffy, Max Scherzer, Alex Bregman.
No, I appreciate it, Devin. It could have very well easily gone the other way.
Bellinger 5 homers in the last 8 games. Yeah, that guy's on a tear. Home run derby didn't affect him. Swanson, Martinez, Cole Hamels. We got a gold auto. Robert Selman for the Mets. Gold refractor auto. Scott S. 40 out of 50. That's a nice hit. Gold refractor auto.
Well, we have 15 minutes left. This is one last tomorrow. We're up into the bubble before I forget. I know I forgot last night.
We got Machado. We got another gold. German Marquez for the Rockies. That's not a gold refractor. Huh? Doesn't that look like a gold? Guess not. Not numbered though. My bad. This is a green though. Green Chris Davis, 56 out of 99. And it's not a Judge, but it is a Cody Bellinger refractor auto for the Dodgers. LA Dodgers, Darren McKenzie with 1 spot, sniped the Dodgers. Who called that one? Someone called that one, right? Seth. Seth did. 004 out of 499. Nice hit. That's a few $100 at least. Nice. Should have one more autograph. Justin Upton, blue. Number 150 for the Tigers. That's Colin. Roman Quinn. And last pack. Should have an auto. Good luck. Topps would probably do that. They just loaded the whole box. And it is another Met. It is Seth Lugo. Scott S. There you go, Scott. Seth Lugo. And there's a Judge rookie, too. Mike Tower. So thanks, everybody. That was Topps Chrome number 21. JaspysHobbyland.com. $10 breaks. Very nice Cody Bellinger for $10. Thanks, everybody.